some spool. Learn to fly again. Got that Kevin Gates stuck in my head. Oh, here we go. 18 degrees, 10.0 flat on an AFR. 14 pounds of boost. That's about as baby soft as you can get. Right, Jordini?
Right.
It's always nice when you have to, when it goes out of the
Out of the range.
It goes out of the scale and you gotta scale up for the power. It's always a nice feeling. I mean, it's 32 creeping up to 34 pounds, so, you know.
So high as fuck, man, I can't roll my weed. Never gave a fuck, see the G my night. Big ass play, can't roll my barrel. 1988, but you're right. So high as fuck, man, I can't roll my weed. Never gave a fuck, see the G my night. Big ass play, can't roll my barrel. 1988, but you're right. So high as fuck, man, I can't roll my weed. Never gave a fuck, see the G my night. Big ass play, can't roll my barrel. 1988, but you're right. So high as fuck, man, I can't roll my weed. Never gave a fuck, see the G my night. Big ass play, can't roll my barrel. You think that you stylish, but nobody stylish. Think that you stylish, but nobody styling. It's exotic, get to the body. Now I gotta know why your ass in the lobby. You know where to find me. Used to be in hobbies, used to be in fathers. Now I